This year, a memorandum of agreement was signed by the UA&P Foundation Incorporated and the CRC Foundation Incorporated, establishing the CRC as a joint project of the two foundations. The CRC can now function as a hallmark center of the UA&P, alongside the two other UA&P hallmark centers, the Center for Social Responsibility for People Development and the Center for Student Affairs for Values Education. Specifically, as the UA&P's hallmark center for research and communication, the CRC is charged with promoting a culture of research in the university. These measures fulfill an item of our 2018 strategic vision, that we, the two foundations now, shall jointly pursue our institutional research and communications agenda. And by CRC's vigorous collaboration with research institutes that pursue a similar research agenda, it shall be known as the Asian counterpart of similar endeavors in the Americas and in Europe. The CRC shall present a focus for the UA&P hallmark of research and communication and ensure that the edge that their 43-year experience can give our research, data gathering, and analysis of concrete professional issues and current social needs will remain strong. With this agreement, UA&P reaffirms its commitment to excellence in research as an institution that is inseparably part of mainstream society, that wrestles with the concrete questions that everyone asks, that works hand in hand with others who also want to see things go better, with the alumni, with local high schools and universities, with industry, with local government units, non-profit organizations, with embassies and international agencies. All of this continuing the tradition established by the CRC. Much of what the CRC will now accomplish will be through the UA&P faculty who engage in CRC research projects as part of the research load. This engagement can take the form, among others, of participating in the work of research teams, each defined in terms of an approved research project with a team leader with a budget, performing the necessary technical and doctrinal reviews of materials for publication, forming part of the editorial boards of our university's scholarly journals, and serving in a research bureau that gives technical assistance for preparing research fund proposals. Correspondingly, the bulk of work of the small CRC staff would be to seize opportunities, and the most part through a one-on-one campaign, for igniting the research interests of the faculty and to identify, encourage, and empower those who can champion one or another of the research areas that the CRC can get into. Of course, this shall not deter the CRC and everyone else from sending many positive and concrete suggestions to the college, the schools, the centers, and the institutes on how to encourage research and publications that would remain there in the academic units. Our deeply Christian and at the same time firmly secular approach pushes us always to look for solutions to the problems besetting contemporary society, which promote the dignity of the human person in all circumstances. By expanding the scope that the CRC has hitherto been known for, we shall pursue team effort and a multidisciplinary approach that, while deploying the most technical expertise in solving a problem, will never fail to throw light on the human condition. We believe that by imprinting these features on all our research and communications, we can create a new and immensely effective curiosity about our Christian faith and the light it sheds on all social realities, and thereby attract many partners in the private and public sector who can collaborate with us in achieving our purpose. We shall be on the lookout for vital linkages by leveraging our trailblazing expertise through consultancy research, by pursuing joint undertakings in corporate social responsibility, by soliciting industry participation in curriculum development, by systematizing reflection on and sharing our experience in mentoring, as well as by asking corporate sponsorships to support our research and professorial chairs. Through the CRC, we can strengthen the consultancy capabilities of our faculty and at the same time strengthen our brand of research, rigorous, scientific, relevant and down to earth, at the same time multidisciplinary and open to philosophical, even theological reflection. Our partnerships shall never simply be relationships where we in the academic community bring scholarly erudition to the solution of industry issues and needs, and industry reciprocates by investing in our material requirements. No, our partnerships will not be transactional ventures, but mission-based relationships. We partner with people and institutions with a genuine desire to learn from them, and no less genuine desire to win them over to our cause. We bring them to UA&P CRC because we want to give them the opportunity to experience, to assimilate, to identify with, and then to spread the positive and universal spirit of our institution.